So these are some of the latest rugged phones and tablets of 2025. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's check them out. So the first device is the Oukitel WP55 Ultra. It is Oukitel's latest 5G rugged phone, and it's among the few rugged phones from Oukitel to feature a thermal imaging sensor. Now, unfortunately, I do not know the exact thermal module that this device is equipped with. Anyway, as for the specs of the Oukitel WP55 Ultra, well, the device features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display. It runs on the Android 15 OS, and the device has 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage with SD card support. In the camera department, it features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP main sensor, an 8MP night vision camera, and an additional 5MP lens. And it has a 32MP front-facing shooter. The device packs a massive 11,000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support and reverse charging support. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 5G octa-core processor. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military-grade standard A10H certified. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC, OTG, and so much more. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP55 Ultra. It's currently being sold on AliExpress for about $400. So if you're interested, you can check it out. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP55 Ultra. So let's move on to the next device. So the AMOLED 5 Ultra has a thickness of 27.8 millimeters and it weighs 1.6 kg. The device meets IP68, IP69K, and military standard A10H certifications, making it impervious to dust, water, and rough handling. A massive 24,200 mAh battery powers this beast with impressively fast 120 watts charging, and the device also supports 10 watts reverse charging, which means you could charge other devices with the AMOLED 5 Ultra. Its standout feature, as I mentioned earlier, is its built-in projector. The projector has a brightness of about 200 lumens and a resolution of 960 by 540 pixels, which means that the projector of the Active 12 Pro has a much more higher resolution because the Active 12 Pro could project 1080p footage. Under the hood, the Ulefone AMOLED 5 Ultra is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7400X octa-core 5G processor, buttressed by 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, expandable up to 2TB via microSD card, which promises serious power. This means that the AMOLED 5 Ultra would be a much more powerful rugged tablet than the Blackview Active 12 Pro, because the Active 12 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7300. The tablet also has an 11-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, boasting a 90Hz refresh rate and 600 nits of brightness. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup, including a 64MP main shooter and a 64MP night vision sensor. And on the front is a 32MP selfie shooter. Additional features includes dual super bright 1000 lumen camping light, a headphone jack, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Now, as regarding pricing and launch, the device, as I mentioned earlier, will debut at the IFA 2025 event and would launch in October. It is expected to retail around $599 with a projector-free AMOLED 5 Pro sibling available for about $499. That's right, guys. The AMOLED 5 Ultra would not be the only rugged tablet that Ulefone would announce. Ulefone would also announce the AMOLED 5 Pro. The Pad 5 Pro would not have a built-in projector. Only the Pad 5 Ultra would have that feature. Anyway, once I get more details about these upcoming rugged tablets, I'll definitely share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So the Blackview Active 12 Pro would be available in only black color, and the device is boldly rugged at 28.3mm thick and weighs a solid 1522 grams, which is over 3 pounds. This is due to the fact that the device packs a massive battery. We'll talk about that later. The phone runs on the DuckOS P4.2 based on Android 15, offering a modern, smooth user experience. Now, this device is the world's first tablet to integrate a 200 lumen 1080p autofocus projector capable of displaying up to 120 inches with Widevine L1 support for full HD content streaming. The device also features a 400 lumen dual beam camping light with multiple modes including SOS, making it perfect for outdoor and emergency use. For display, it sports a large Full HD Plus IPS screen with an 83% screen to body ratio and a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. The tablet is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset built on a 4nm process, reaching up to 2.5 GHz clock speed for efficient and high performance processing. Now, the phone would be available in two powerful memory configurations, including a 12GB RAM and 256GB variant, and a 16GB RAM and 1TB variant. The storage of both variants can be expanded up to 2TB via microSD card. Now, this device houses a massive 30,000 mAh battery, supporting up to 112 days of standby time and 6 hours 45 minutes of projector use, with 120 watts fast charging and 10 watts reverse charging to keep your older devices powered up. Camera wise, it's equipped with a 108MP Samsung HM6 rear camera and a 50MP Samsung GN1 front camera, ideal for high quality photos and video calls. Of course, the rear camera could record 4K videos at 30 FPS. Audio is equally strong thanks to its dual box speakers. Its ruggedness is certified with IP68 and IP69K ratings with 1.5 meter drop resistance and 1.5 meter water immersion for 30 minutes. The device is also military grade standard A10H certified. Other features include NFC, glove mode, stylus pen input, which according to Blackview would be included in the box. The device also supports all the major navigation systems including GPS. It also supports dual SIM slots. Glove mode is also supported, which means you could actually operate this device while wearing gloves. It also supports underwater camera. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4 and OTG support. It also comes with essential sensors like a proximity sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer and more. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the device would cost over $500, but that's merely speculation. Moreover, the Blackview Active 12 Pro is expected to deliver unmatched rugged functionality, massive battery life and multi-purpose utility, making it the ultimate tablet for professionals, adventurers and power users alike.